Hey, this is Zach with Use What You Got. Today, I have my wife with me.
And we're going to be sharing our experience at staying at a Getaway tiny house cabin.
First question would probably be, what do you think about the experience so far?
It has been everything that I kind of expected it to be. We've been looking forward to this for about 6 months. I guess I hadn't really thought about it, but it's just so quiet. You walk outside and you don't hear anything. It's just quiet and peaceful.
I will say with this particular place we're at, it's definitely off the beaten path, which I think is a good thing because you come up to just a sign with the address, so it's very private.
From the time I booked, you get a lot of communication from Getaway, which I like. And they've been sending us emails like counting down for the past week and a half, making sure that we know what to bring and like be prepared for what's gonna be included in our stay. And that was really nice.
This is like super minor, but one thing that was really nice when we showed up, they left a handwritten note, saying hello to us, welcoming us to the tiny house. So how do you feel about like the amenities, what they provide?
I think it's really nice. You have everything you need to cook. They even include like packets of olive oil and your salt and pepper. So like little things like that where if you do choose to cook while you're here, you have it. You also have what they call provisions. So you have to pay for some of them. So like tea, coffee, hot chocolate. They have a s'mores kit that you can buy. You can also buy like firewood outside. Once you open it, they add it to your bill, but it's already here. So you don't, even if you forgot something, it's all available for you.
The mini fridge here, it's kind of got a old school classic look. And right behind us on the other side of the bed is like a little shelf area with some books and then a box that has cards in it as well as dice, and then a book that has like a ton of different card games. So if you really like cards, you'll definitely spend a lot of time doing that.
Well, I think probably my favorite feature is the really big window. It's nice. It lets in a lot of natural light.
I definitely think the big window is probably like one of the best sellers for this place. They have little kind of funny signs here and there explaining stuff, as well as they have a cell phone lockbox, which if you're into that sort of thing, it's pretty cool.
It doesn't actually lock,
no.
But the door is an electronic key code that you get and you just show up. You don't have to talk to anybody. You can just come, type in your code, and you're checked in. To summarize, we were getting away for our anniversary so that we could spend time together. We got the 3 kids and it's not very quiet at home in our house, or even, we have a nice backyard, but we sit out there and we can hear the shopping center and the road and
the girls screaming.
It's just nice to get a break and like hear yourself think. Yeah. And this stay definitely delivered on that.
This has got to be probably one of the most peaceful places I've ever been to.
Agreed.
Just quiet. You can obviously hear nature and birds and stuff, but it's so quiet. And it's kind of funny because they have a rule here.
Yeah, it says basically quiet hours are all the time. If you really are looking for a place to just take a break from life and kind of recharge, reset, pray, read, whatever, like this is the type of place to go to.
Final verdict. If you had to give it a score out of 10, what would you score it?
Definitely 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Like, I would 100% do this again. 2 to 3 days, perfect amount of time, just reset, recharge, and then I can go back and deal with my kids.
Well, yeah, exactly.